Okay, I got my coffee, I drank my medicines, antidepressantes. Now I can start. Hey, hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Gigi, and mangaka creates a personal manga Answer of the Underground. Yes, it's actually one of the reasons I work on YouTube, just to find people who are interested in my personal project. And to fill a little bit time, I show how I play Rainworld. Last time I accidentally resetted my game. So, yes, now you can enjoy how I struggle. So enjoy the video! Oh, even my achievements I have to do from zero, from scratch. Ah! Damn it. Alright. Alright. That's it. It's my path, I guess. Like, everything. What's going on in my life. Gosh. Okay. Mm-hmm. Ooh, food! I have to catch it, I have to catch it. Wait a sec. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I'm really bad at, with that. Oh, I catched one. It's dead. Oop. uh, uh, Yum yum yum. Yum yum yum. Yo. Nyam. Nyam. Oh, it's a I got it. Yes. What I'm doing here? Oh gosh. Okay. I trust you, buddy. I trust you. Not really, but I give it a chance. Oh shit, a lizard. No, 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 no. Okay, okay, okay. Wait a sec. Wasn't I here? Yes, I was here. I wanna find another basement. So, oh thanks. I wanna be fast. Oh no, 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 no. Not this kind of fast. I'm not wanna die fast as possible. I wanna be in another different place as soon as possible. Ah, the beautiful music. Okay, I was there, so no thanks. A life hack from me, try to find new places. And then it will work better. Or this little dude brings you back. Oh, okay, now I have to be fast and careful. Ah. Oh damn, I don't really have time. I thought it will be like take 20 minutes or something. Did you saw the lizard? Yo, I saw it. Oh, there's this one plant. Oh, lizard. Shit! I didn't wanna go to you. No, 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 no. Shit! Blah. Oh, did you saw it? It did that solo salto. Still no. Oh, a cute green lizard. Oh, lucky me, lucky me. He used this little tunnel. Still clumsy. Why are you... Huh? Okay. You won. For today I will be a vegetarian. Alright, a little life hack from me as a professional. If you're gonna go through this plant monster, you have to go down. Oh, okay, good. And don't touch it. Sheesh. Now go down. That's another life hack from my side too. Yeah. If you see a lizard, just confuse him with the tunnels. Yay. Oh my gosh, I did it. Yes. Alright, how much should Alright. I have to survive in another day. Okay,